Hello and welcome. Today we are going to see how to remove the rubber Mylars holding the LCD screen. First we need to remove the bezel, the hinges, and then we can do the Mylars. Here are the Mylars. On all the newer laptops, especially with a very thin and sleek design, the LCD screen is held by double-sided rubber Mylars, and they can be very difficult to remove, but we will see how is the best way to do it. Okay, we need to take off the screws from the broken part so we can use them on our new LCD back cover. So always find the starting point for the rubber Mylars. Sometimes they're on top, on this model they're on the bottom, and as you can see it's very difficult, and also on many occasions they can just break, so you really have to be careful with them. I will use now plastic tweezer because I think it's more handy for me to get to start with it. Okay, finally. Okay, this is good. Fortunately, the Mylars on this laptop, they were quite flexible and relatively easy to work with. Then I will use the metal tweezer, and you need to wind up the Mylar around the metal tweezer gently, bit by bit, pulling occasionally so that you stretch it a little bit and take a bit more under the LCD screen. Once you are comfortable, you can move to the middle position of the LCD screen, and then like this, and then at the end, at the top, and that would be it from that side. It would mean that the Mylar is completely removed. Okay, that's it from the right side of the LCD screen. Now, to remove the Mylar, the best thing is to use a box cutter, and bit by bit we need to cut and remove the Mylar from the tweezers. That's it. Now we need to do the same with the left side Mylar. Okay, we got the starting point. Metal tweezers again, and gently pulling up and winding onto the metal tweezers. Unfortunately, sometimes these Mylars can break, and then basically you're in world of trouble, because then probably we need to use a heat gun to heat up a bit the LCD cover, and that can be dangerous for many different reasons. So if Mylar stays in one piece and you are gentle with it, there are good chances that you can pull it through, and this is the best way to remove the LCD screen on these models. Okay, the screen is now finally free. There is just one cable holding it, and that's the one that is attached to the web camera. Released. We can see the display connector, and we can see how long this web camera cable is, and that it is glued to the back of the screen. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.